In previous lecture, we have seen the change of variable in double integration. That is, we want to transform our xy region to uv region. Now, today we are going to start the new chapter, limits and continuity. Limits and continuity. All of we know that set R real number, okay, represent union of rational and irrational number. So what is R square? R square is equal to collection of all ordered pair xy such that xy belongs to R square, so that x and y are real numbers. Okay. Then real value function. Real value function. Okay. Now in single variable, we can say that f is the function from set A to B if there exists an unique image. If there exists a unique image for every element of A to B. जर set A मधल्या प्रत्येक एलिमेंटला जर युनिक इमेज असेल, then we can say that f is the function from set A to B. Similarly, when we say that it is a real value function, if A is called domain and B is called codomain. If B is set of real number, okay, then we can say that this is a real value function. So if B is equal to collection of all xy belongs to R square, such that x belongs to R and y belongs to R, is called a real value function. A real value function if there exists unique W belongs to R for every such that f of xy is equal to W for every xy belongs to D. Then we can say that f is a real value function from D to R. Okay, real value function for every order where xy belongs to this D. If there exists unique W belongs to R such that f of xy equal to W, then we can say that f is a real value function. Okay. So for example, if you consider, suppose f is a function from R square to R defined by f of xy is equal to x plus y. Now this is what? A real value function. If we take any, suppose if we take x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, then what is 1 plus 2 is what? 3. So this is a real value function. डोमेन ला R स्क्वेअर आहे आणि कोडोमेन ला R आहे. इकडे घेताना आपण ऑर्डर पेअर घेतो, आउटपुट मात्र आपल्याला एक सिंगल क्वांटिटी मिळते. इट बिलोंग्स बीइंग इन set R. So it is a real value function. If we take x is equal to 2, 3, it is equal to 2 plus 3 is what? 5 and so on. Now here this set D is called domain. This set D is called domain. D is called domain. And f of W, f of D is called range. Range is nothing but collection of all W such that f of xy is equal to W. So this is what is called a range. Now next, for example, find domain and codomain. If you take the simple example, suppose f of xy is equal to x plus y. F of xy is equal to x plus y. And what is your domain? D is what? This function is defined for every xy belongs to R square. So what is domain? Domain is equal to R square. And if you observe, what is range here? Range is equal to R. Range is equal to what? Set of real number. Next example, suppose f of xy is equal to under root of y minus x square. Now what is the domain? Again we cannot determine the negative square root. Okay, so if here when this function is defined, if y minus x square is greater than or equal to 0. So what is our domain? Domain is equal to collection of all x y such that y minus x square is greater than or equal to 0, or in the same form we can write collection of all x y belongs to r square such that y minus x square is greater than or equal to 0. Means what? Now since y minus x square is greater than or equal to 0 implies y is equal to y is greater than or equal to x square. If you draw this graph, all of you know that what is y equal to x square? Y equal to x square is an equation of parabola. So minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So if y is 1, x is 1, y is 1, x is minus 1, y is 1, x is minus 2, y is 4, x is 2, y is 4. So if you join these 5 points, you will get this parabola. Due to this parabola, there are two regions. One region is inside this parabola, one region is outside the parabola. So we want to identify whether our points are inside these two this curve or outside the curve. Okay, for that if you take any point, suppose if you take this 2 0, 0 2, what is this point 0 2, and if you put here 0 2, then y is what 0, y is 2 and x is what 0. This condition is true. This condition is true means what? This is what our region. This is an y equal to x square. If you draw this word domain, in exam question is like this: draw the domain. Okay, so grab the domain. So this is what a domain. What is the range? If you observe, range is what? हे सगळे पॉइंट आलेले बघा रेंज मध्ये. So range is line y axis. So what is range? Range is equal to all w which is greater than or equal to 0, where w belongs to r. This is a range. Collection of all w which is greater than or equal to 0. बघा तुम्ही हे सगळं हा जर आपला काय रेंज आहे, तर रेंज काय आहे? सगळे पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर मिळते आपल्याला. Now next example, suppose if you consider f of xy is equal to 1 upon x square minus y square, or x minus y. So what is the domain and range? So if you observe here, domain is what? Collection of all. ये function कुठे define नहीं है? This function is not defined where x is not equal to y. जर x is equal to y से ये function define नहीं है. हम domain क्या असणार आहे? असे सगळे x y घ्यायचे की जिथे x is not equal to y. म्हणजे समजा जर तुम्ही f of 1 घेतलाय, कुठे f of 1 त्यावेळेस 1 divided by 1 minus 1 it is 0. means 1 upon 0 is not undefined. means what? This function is not defined if your x is equal to y. So when this function is defined if your x is not equal to y. So this is domain, and what is range? Range is equal to again set of real number, complete real number. If you observe, if you draw this graph, if you draw your domain, you will easily identify what will be your range. So we all of you know that what is y equal to x. So this is what y equal to x. या लाइन वरचे सगळे पॉइंट सोडून द्या तुम्ही. या लाइन वरचे सगळे पॉइंट जर तुम्ही रिमूव्ह केले, ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट डोमेन. पण इथे या जे सगळे डोमेन आहेत ना, त्या लाईन टच नाही झाले बघा. ही लाईन आपल्याला रिमूव्ह करायची आहे. So this is what a domain. आणि मग रेंज काय येणार आहे? रेंज जर तुम्ही पाहिलं तर ही कंप्लीट रियल लाईन येते बघा. सो रेंज इज व्हाट? कंप्लीट रियल लाईन. नाउ नेक्स्ट xy is equal to 1 upon x1, then again here this function is not defined. If this function is not defined, if x is equal to 0 or y is equal to 0, so what is domain? Collection of all x, y belongs to R square, such that x is not equal to 0 and y is not equal to 0. And what is the range? Range is complete real line. Range is what? Complete real line. Now next part is what we are going to see, and a level curve and graph. Level curve and graph. Next topic, level curve and graph. What is the level curve? It is a collection of all points of function where your function is constant. That is collection of all xy such that f of xy is equal to c. f of xy is equal to c. भाई तुम्हारा फंक्शन बद्दल तुम्हाला काय प्रूफ करायचे? कॉन्स्टंट व्हॅल्यू प्रूफ करायचे. And then all these those point of function is called a level curve at c. And what is the graph? Graph is nothing but the collection of triplet x, y, z, where z is equal to f of xy. Z is equal to what? F of xy. म्हणजे what is why we are going to take a level curve? Because by using a level curve we can easily identify what will be our graph in 3-dimensional space. For example, if you consider, suppose find a level curves at c is equal to 0, c is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4 of the following function f of xy is equal to x square plus y square, and hence find a graph. Suppose this is the question. What is the first step? You want to draw the level curve at c is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and by using this level curve you want to draw the graph. So here, what is f of xy? F of xy is equal to what? X square plus y square. So what is first level curve? C is equal to 0. If you put c is equal to 0 means what you want to put here, the value of f of xy is equal to c, you will get x square plus y square is equal to 0. All of you know that this is an equation of circle having radius is 0. Center is having origin. Number 2, c is equal to, okay, this is point circle only point circle. If c is equal to 1, then is x square plus y square is equal to what? 1. Then next, here 4, then 16 and 25. Okay, all of you know that this at c is equal to 1. This is an equation of circle having radius is 1. So this is what c is equal to 0. This is what c is equal to 1. Next, we are changing our values of c for our simplification. If c is equal to 4, then x square plus y square is equal to 4. This is an equation of circle having radius is 2. So this is what c is equal to 2. C is equal to 2. Next, if we take c is equal to 16, then it is x square, or c is equal to 9. If we take c is equal to 9, then x square plus y square is equal to 9. It is an equation of circle having radius is what? 3. So if you observe, next if you draw again you will get the next level curve. So these are all level curves at c is equal to 0, c is equal to 1, c is equal to 2, c is equal to 3, c is equal to 9. Now next, by using this level curve, what will be the graph of given function? So suppose this is z axis, y axis and x axis. Then we want to draw the first level curve. C is equal to 0. So this is what c is equal to 0. Then next, c is equal to 1. C is equal to 1 at height 1. At z is equal to 1. This is what? Z is equal to 1. Now next, z is equal to what? C is 4. So c is 4 means what? Z is equal to what? 2. This is what? Z is equal to 4. Next, z is equal to 9. Next, z is equal to 16. Next, z is equal to 25. So if you join this all these level curves, you can easily identify this is an graph of given function. So this is a graph of given function. So now next take one more example. Take one more example. Let f of xy is equal to 100 minus x square minus y square. Okay, then plot the graph and level curve. Plot the graph and level curves at c is equal to 0, c is equal to 51 and c is equal to 75. So we want to draw the level curve at this point. So what is the level curve? First, c is equal to 0 means what? You want to put here c is equal to 0. At the place of f of xy, you want to put c is equal to 0. So you will get 100 minus x square minus y square is equal to 0. This implies it is x square plus y square is equal to 100. Means what? It is an equation of circle having center at origin and radius is what? 10. Radius is what? 10. So if you draw this level curve, this is what? Radius is 10. Now next, number 2, if c is equal to 51, then you will get 100 minus x square minus y square. At place of f of xy, you want to put 51. So if you put 51, you will get x square plus y square. Take this minus x square minus y square to this side, 51 to this side, you will get it is equal to 49. All of you know that this is again an equation of circle having radius 9. Okay, sorry, 7. Radius is what? 7. 7 minus 7 minus 7. So this is what? C is equal to 100. C is equal to 51. Now next, number 3. If we take c is equal to 75, then it is 75 100 minus x square minus y square is equal to 75. So this is equal to what? X square plus y square is equal to 25. Is equal to 25. So this is again an equation of circle having center at origin and radius is 5. So this is what c is equal to 75. If you observe, as c increases, as value of c increases, your radius of circle is what? Decreases. First radius of circle is 10, then 7, then 5 and so on. By using this information, we want to draw the graph. Suppose here z axis, y axis, x axis. Here suppose z is equal to what? If you put c is equal to, first circle is what? 100, 10. First circle is what? This is the first circle. At c is equal to what? 0. This is what? C is equal to 0. Next circle is what? Next circle having radius 7. C is equal to 0. C is equal to 51. Next, C is equal to 75. And next, if you put c is equal to one more, if you take c is equal to 100, then what happens? If c is 100, then x square plus y square equal to 0. That is point circle only. So if we join this, sorry. If c is equal to 0, c is equal to 0, then circle having radius 10. As c is equal to, as c increases 51, this is what c is equal to 0, c is equal to 51, c is equal to 51, then next c is equal to what? 75. So if you observe, and next if you take the c is equal to 100, then you will get such a type of and graph of given equation. Okay, this is the graph.